MayaHTT is an engineering firm in the manufacturing and industrial operations world. So we develop software and provide consulting services to all our clients.
Here at Maya, we handle very sensitive information. We were looking for a partner to deliver powerful servers to help us create that industrial AI software. We started working with Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA, and we were really impressed with the capabilities.
When we built MBOT, the AI Factory really made it shine. MBOT is a RAG-based assistant for engineers that speak deterministic answers.
It's able to retrieve documentation, generate great results, whether it's for your design or for the manufacturing processes.
MayaHTT was facing some unique roadblocks when it came to deploying AI workloads. They have extremely complicated engineering data, so they needed a solution that could be deployed on premises in a secure manner, that had the performance and the scale to be able to manage the kind of requirements their end customers would have.
The NVIDIA AI enterprise software is really what kicks it into high gears and help us parallelize some of the workflows. That's been a big game changer for us. And I'm really looking forward to that next level of agentic AI.
Having an idea is one thing, being able to realize it is another. The technology really brought that to life. MayaHTT will be able to deliver AI products to our customers and bring them with us to the future.